Hey guys, Japer here, and welcome back to The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. Fine. I hear the shrine. I'm going for it. Just this one for now, though. I mean, I guess I already knew that this one was there, huh? Just don't have it marked for some reason, huh? Well, that's fine. I'll grab this real quick. Then I've got to head, elsewhere. Alright. I know, I saw it. Oh, well, this is easy to get around, clearly. All I have to do is this. Don't even have to wait for it all to burn, either. Okay, what's this shrine? A launching device. Oh. A tutorial on rockets. I don't really need this, but sure. Cool. Alright, fuse them together temporarily for easier transport. Dang it. Alright. Cool, that should work. Doesn't matter if it's lopsided. I mean, that worked out just fine, so. No. That did not work out how I thought it might. Okay. No idea. I'll grab you again. You. Okay. You know, I was worried I was about to go falling into the void, into a void again, but glad there was a back wall there and not just. Right, I'm glad there was floor beneath the wall there and not just a pit. Okay. Alright. Well. Alright. Oh, I need to do memories, don't I? I completely forgot about that. Right, well, I completely forgot to consult my completed save file to see where the next two memories were, so I guess I look now. Might as well grab them right now before I zip off. Or I'll grab one now before I zip off to grab the Great Fairy Fountain. Okay, that one's up there. Oh, and the one after that is the one I saw over there, so oh yeah, these should be pretty easy ones to get. Oh, didn't even notice them there. Alright, sure. Why not? One now. One after I get the Great Fairy Fountain. I'm gonna see if I can knock out everything else I need to do before next story objective today. Wouldn't call it the next dungeon. Not quite. I guess kinda, but not really. Okay. Whoa, okay. Alright, so it's kinda hard to tell. Okay, now it should be easier to tell. Is that it? No. It's the only one that would be solid. None on that hand. Oh, wait. That's it. That's what I'm looking for. Just had to keep looking. That's all it took. Alright. Next memory.
Queen Sonia! Queen Sonia!
Finally, it is mine!
That is a silver lining.
Sonia! You were too late, Rauru. You took for granted the godlike power you had in your hands. Do you now see the potential you squandered? As for her, she is merely the first victim of your arrogance. You tried to control me, Rauru, and you will die knowing that you failed. Get it done!
Queen Sonia needs you!
Oh, look at that. The Demon King. All right. That's number 10. Next up, let's see. Yeah, let's do that one. That one's probably the simplest one here. I mean, the last one is pretty simple as well, but you know, it's probably going to be pretty easy to get that one done. Alright. And after that I need to do some depths exploration and a Koga fight, which I guess kind of leads into each other. Alright. Yeah, okay. I've learned my lesson now. Ah, I know that face. Yes, that's a face I know. Have you come to me? Yeah. I must be kidding. Alas, the local Great Fairy hasn't emerged from her flower bed in quite some time. I'm sure she's scared to come out, just like the Great Fairy at the woodland. Oh. Yeah. Beats is a young drummer who plays for the stable Trotters. But one day he took his leave from the troupe. We haven't seen him since. Yeah, you know what? Guess we're doing this one. Since we have all, since we don't have all the instruments, I'll grab the drummer after the next story objective. All right. Well then. Guess I'm going to Kakariko. Damn it. Okay. I know where he is, and I think I have what I need. Right? Hang on. Let me look. I didn't eat it, did I? Honeycomb, courser bee. Are you serious? I don't know if I have one. Wow. That's unexpected. I probably did eat it. I could have sworn I had one. Damn it. I could just put it off for now. Or maybe he'll know where some is. Or was it? It was right here. If I remember correctly. Alright, good to know that I'm out of the village now and can use... these guys. It's always funny to just shoot off Unobo somewhere. Plus, it gives me an updraft to use. really don't know where I'm going, honestly. Just kind of around, I guess. Why am I not catching the updraft? Oh, hello. Okay. You know, I can't wait to refuel some of these supplies in the deck. Thank you. No! Shoot. Whatever, I don't need the normal parts. I'll just grab these ones. Okay. Where was I? Over here, probably. You know, I really don't have to do this now, but I want to, because I want to upgrade my gear some more. And to do that, I need to get another Great Fairy. And I hope that doesn't end up being this whole episode. Really, I do. That's all I really can do is hope. Yep, I was right. It's right there. I can't believe. Ba-dum-ba-dum-be-dum, ba-dum-ba-dum-be-dum. Yeah! Come on. Buzz. What are you doing? Whoa! Hey, hey, don't interrupt. I'm busy calling bees with my beat. Come on, don't look at me like that. No, it's goofy, but I gotta try. Yeah. Honey crepes. Of course it'd be honey. Yeah, yeah. 3 combs of honey. Oh, that one? Okay. Alright, I can come back there now. Easily. I guess I just gotta... Man, this is taking a while. This is taking longer than I hoped. I was trying to be quick about this, but it's probably not going to be quick, unfortunately. Oh well, that's just how it is sometimes. Can I not just slip through a small crack and lose most of the distance I was going to glide? sunset fireflies anymore. East Hill. Just gotta look around the forest for some, There's one. I missed. I can outrun them. Easily. Yeah, are they still after me? No, they're heading back to their non-existent hive. Alright, that's one. Now I just need 2 more. No. I think not. It's just too easy. No, you know what? I don't need your guys' help for this. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. It worked out. Oh, and look, there's another. Okay, and there's gotta be one over here, right? Yeah, I see it. Oh, there's one right there, too. Ow. Ah, they disbanded. I was gonna try to have 2 chasing me at the same time. Okay, well then. Alright, back here. Really quick. Wait a second. What's that I smell? Something sweet? Hey, maybe in your pouch there? Have some honey. Oh, right! Yeah. I really shouldn't be skipping out on dialogue. What did you say? The stable trotters are back in action? Then what am I doing here? They need me to bring the rhythm. I don't know where they are, but if I hit every single stable, I'll run into them sooner or later. It shouldn't be too long before I can offer the troop leader my services again. Hey. Well, until next time, if there's a next time, see you! Yeah, I'll see ya. Okay. That's another one I forgot I would have to do. But you know what? That's alright. Okay. Got it pretty close there. Oh, there's the man of the hour. Look at this, or rather listen. It's Beats, our stalwart drummer. Beats has returned. A sorry troop leader I am, making my band members worry about me that way. They really ought to be worried about his odd declining audience. But the beating heart of the stable Trotters pulses once more. 3 cheers for our own Beats. Every member is essential for our signature sound. Together we are not just the stable Trotters, and my heart will always be the stable Gallopers. You have done so much for us, I hardly know where to begin. Let me start with this. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you. That's 5 thank yous from the 5 of us. Attention everyone, this is a new start for the stable Trotters. Your performances let the great fairies, no, all travelers, no, let everyone in the world be awash in sweet, soothing music. I am brimming over with happiness to the point that I can't keep a lid on it. And I must say, it's good to see a friendly face, one who no doubt shares my concern for the great fairy. Yeah, I know. Alas, the local great... She used to listen to Beats' drums so far. The bridge to the great fairy is broken. How are horses supposed to cross? Yo, if a bridge is no good, how about we cross the river? That's right, we can cross the river. To the river, everyone, all together now. I'm sure the great fairy will give you her blessing when she wakes up. If you have the time, I'd be honored if you could be there for our performance. Of course. I'll help out with you guys getting there because you usually need help with that. Okay. Right. What are you doing? Please don't. Okay, well. The bridge is a bust, but I thought it might not be so hard to cross the river. I see now that I was mistaken. And if we took out our breezers' wheels and floated across the river, the current would run that plan aground. The Great Fairy? Yeah. The Great Fairy is over there. I'm sure she's scared to come out, just like she used to. Yeah. But the bridge is no use at all. Our breezer was built for traveling roads, not rivers. If we tried to ford it, we'd all sink before we reached the Great Fairy's side. Alright. Okay. Oh. Ah. Cool. Cool. Alright then. some simple engineering here. Then I put this here. This here. And a battery here for good measure. I put this in the water. Does it float? I think so. The bridge is above. Hop in, I'll take you. Such joy, elation, the very words I've been waiting for. Everyone get on board before he changes his mind. Yeah, want you guys to know this isn't tested at all. This is a prototype. Okay. Well, we're floating. Okay, this actually worked a lot better than I thought it would. It's working beautifully. Look at that. Wow. The Great Fairy. Places, everyone, places. The Great Fairy needs us. Okay. Alright. Oh, we've done it! Yowza, I think my heart just picked up the tempo. The musical stylings for the stable Trotters are the cure for anyone's malaise. Thank you once again. I prepared a token of thanks so substantial that I hope your pockets are double stitched. Serve every last bit of it. Thank you. Now that my own pockets are lighter, I'm proud to say that this great fairy Kotera is at peace. She wasn't the last great fairy still shut away in her flower bud. That's why we must be off at once to visit the next great fairy. Thank you for your invaluable assistance. Of course. Oh, what a feeling. That first breath of fresh air. It's just so intoxicating. The beat of the drum has lit a fire deep in my heart. What about you? Can you feel the heat? Are you ready for more? Yeah. Power available to me. I can greatly enhance your clothing. Okay. Ooh, I don't have enough amber to upgrade everything. Okay, I'll just upgrade this and... Yeah, I know. I'm aware that that's what happens. Enhance away. And enhance these. Should do a good amount to increase my defense. Enhance away. Still don't have enough Arakuda idols to fully upgrade that, so I'm not going to yet. Don't have anything else to upgrade those. Yeah, you know what? Don't really feel like upgrading anything. I can upgrade this, but that's Kind of a waste of a star fragment.
Ah. Mm.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, back to Kakariko. We're finally going in here. Let me just swap to... Wow, I forgot I had this that I had been wearing. Here, let me just swap to this for now. 27 defense isn't bad. And a full 32. That's just nice. I've really gotta work on grinding out some of the materials to upgrade again, though. Once I get to the 4th upgrade, I want to have fully upgraded gear. There we go. Wow, I have never really seen that happen. Honestly. Okay. I think I've kind of given up on the whole, Nah, I haven't given up on the whole legendary weapons thing. I think if I start to get too much done... Oh, hi, Nadra. There's this one over here. I can't even see that one. Yeah, it would probably be better to grab this one then, huh? I should probably take out everyone else as well. Ah. Yep, that's what I remembered. Marbled Goma. If I do... Hang on. That didn't do anything to it. Is it lighting up the area around it? Hi there. I'll take that guy out. It'll be easy. And I even have something to fuse with. Takaruk light root. Okay. Of course. Oh, there's the Zora statue. Alright, I'll just follow those. First, there's a marbled Goma down here. Practically begging to be fought. What's one of my most powerful weapons? But I want to keep this one. Hi there. Jesus Christ. The boss music starting scared me. Hop up. Nice. I know. Upset that there's no ceiling close enough to grab onto. Ouch. Got him. Easy, too. I see another shrine. Or another, light root. Okay. A very small weapon, but... I like the marbled Kona hammer. Gets bigger when I pull it out, too. That's funny. Alright, I'm gonna have to get rid of this. What's that? Never mind. I'm not going to get rid of this. Okay. So, next Koga battle is underneath... Oh, wow, I'm out of time for today. I didn't realize. The next Koga battle is underneath the Zora's, or underneath Zora's domain. So I gotta figure out a way to get there. Which shouldn't be too hard. Could try to get to that now. Before the end of the episode. You know what? This time I might as well take on a lot more fights and stick to ground travel instead. I feel like that's probably a good course of action, since I have been running low on a few materials that are plentiful in the depths. Oh, look at that. I don't want to fight, I don't want to fight anything today, though, since we're basically out of time, and I just want to get that, light root before we're done. that is the... Edge of the Depths. I'll fight that beginning of next episode. I'm gonna start taking my time again. I need to work on that. Is that another one over there as well? Oh, I don't even have that one. I'll just mark that. Huh. Guess I do remember there being another shrine there. Vaguely. Alright. I'll fight you. What type of yeah, just Flux Construct too. No big deal. I'll fight him at the beginning of next episode, and then we'll keep going on our little adventure through the depths. It's gonna get harder and harder to do these the more time goes on. I don't even know how many light roots I have right now. It'll probably end up being enough. Or I'll probably have enough. And if I don't, that's fine. Hang on, is this the light route? Yep. Migo O light route. I'll end up getting all of them eventually. It may take some time, but I'll get them all. I honestly don't even know where the statues are at this point, so I'm just kinda gonna make my own way over there over the course of the next few episodes. But yeah, that is about it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!